This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Four. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1 5
Mommy? Wow.
No.
Wow.
Ew.
Ew.
Wow!
Hey! Oh!
2 3
Wow. Ew.
Please stop.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh!
Ready, set, go.
Wow!
Sir Kitty Cat, what are you doing up there?
Nothing. I'm definitely not afraid of the flood.
Blood!
See if you can top that.
Ouch!
I win that round.
Is everything okay? Why is there so much water?
Oh, Your Highness, it's an absolute disaster. There's a leak down at the harbor, and the water is rising. Just look at the garden. And she continues to play her trivial bubble blowing contest.
Hey, loosen your collar, Countess. We're entitled to have some fun sometimes, aren't we?
Not during a catastrophe. If the water gets as far as the castle, well, we're
I'll guard the castle.
But there's no water over there.
Exactly.
How did I end up surrounded by such oafs?
It's okay, Elizabeth. Show me where the leak is.
Whoa! It's a really bad leak. We've got to fix it. Otherwise, the castle will be underwater in no time.
Here, I'll call a plumber. That should be the last of their silly bubbles. Now Billy has more important things to deal with, like floods. Are you sure these are all the plumbers in Magic Key?
I sure think so. We're arresting everyone who even looks like a plumber.
What rightful right do you have to hold me here?
By this law, right here. Any and all plumbers are to be arrested immediately. Law invented, passed half an hour ago by the twin princesses. It's so cool being a twin princess.
It's an absolutely scandalous scandal. I'm a wizard, not a plumber.
Well, you look like a plumber with those pants. To the dungeon with you. This is so great. With no plumbers to help Billy stop the leak, we'll be done with her silly bubble-blowing games once and for all. Games? We'll be done with her whole kingdom. Maybe if we twist it a little tighter, we can stop the leak.
Look what I found! Did someone use this to break the faucet?
It's pink. And I don't know any plumber in Magic Key who uses pink tools.
Speaking of plumbers, not one of them seems to be around. I've called them all and no one answers.
Then we're going to have to stop the leak without their help. Did I hear you say help? A pool party? How nice of you to invite me. No, Zsa Zsa, we're trying to stop the water. Oh, really, bud? How do you have a pool party without any water? Zsa Zsa, we have to stop the water from rising. Can you help? No! I know. I have just the thing. Oopsie. I'll go get a new wad.
It's hopeless. I'll be at the castle preparing for evacuation. Billy, look over there. Isn't that the emergency drain for when the harbor gets too full?
It is, but why is it plugged up? I'll bet the twin princesses are up to no good.
Princess! The water's rising throughout the kingdom! Hey, you giggling guppies, what's so funny?
Nothing. Only that the twin princesses were right.
With the water rising like this, pretty soon we'll be swimming.
In Princess Billy's room.
Why, you...
Back off or we'll splash you.
Sir Kitty Cat, paddle us over to that hole. We have to pull the plug before it's underwater.
Princess Billy, save me!
Oh, what was that?
I said, Princess Billy, save me!
Ed!
It sounded like it was coming from the twin princess's castle.
Hurry, we have to help them. Allow me. What a perfect day. Isn't it wonderful to have the sea right here now? Yeah, we'll finally have a beach all to ourselves, just like Billy has. Or had. What have you done with Ed?
Princess, I'm being imprisoned as a prisoner with oodles of ogres.
So that's where all the plumbers went.
Set them free right now! We will, just as soon as we're sure they can't do anything to stop that leak from flooding your kingdom.
You mean the same leak that's flooding your kingdom too?
Maybe the water's high enough. I don't want our pink dress collection ruined. And what about our shoes? Oh, Sydney! Release the prisoners!
This is gonna cost you!
Okay, you can go fix the faucet now so our castle doesn't get flooded.
There's not a chance of a chance we'd help you princesses now.
What should we do now?
Let's get back to the harbor. We can't give up. Oh, we have to stop this leak right now or the kingdom will be lost. Oh. That's it. Zsa Zsa, can I have that bubble blower? Whoa.
Princess, that's the biggest bubble I've ever seen.
Zsa Zsa, can you make it strong? That will stop the flood from rising for now. But we have to take that plug out so the water can drain.
It's far too dangerous, Your Highness.
But it's the only way to save Magic Key. I'm going to need you to make this next bubble extra strong, okay?
I'm going with you.
I'd never help the double troubles, but for you, Princess, I'm always willingly willing to pipe up.
Thank you, Ed. You can release the bubble. Now let's replace this faucet. Well, the water's gone down. We didn't get flooded after all. Yeah, we stayed dry while Billy's kingdom got drenched. Huh? What's that? Huh?
Ah, there! This faucet won't let out a lick of a leak, I assuredly assure you.
Hooray! The leak is fixed! Thank you, Ed. You saved the kingdom.
No, Princess, you're the one who saved us. Magic-y is lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. You know what, Truman? I'm not giving up on this game that easily.
Hey, you fixed it!
Oh, well, what do you know? The game works just fine. I must have accidentally hit the remote. Instead of trying to ruin other people's games, try playing one sometime and maybe you'll like it. So, do you want to play or not? I want to be on Billy's team.